scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skull will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a...
Hey guys, welcome to another video where today I'm going to be showing you my triple RAM skills. Look at this hill. I've been sick for the past few days, so I couldn't record with my voice. So I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah. So I've been trying for like the past 5 weeks, a month or so, and I still cannot do them fast, except for on my PC, but I could not do it just fast, so I had to try. Okay, so listen, I'm tilted for material. If we find a llama in tilted, then I'm gonna be pretty happy. I nicknamed Tilted Towers, Mexican City, and Cletus Castle. I am so weird. Turn that down, that's a little loud for me. Hope you find a llama, hope you find a llama. Is that a llama? We found a llama. How lucky can that be? How lucky am I? Woo! Hey llama. Yay! He loves to be broken. Now let's pick up black metal and slayer juice and a stone, some stone. What's inside this mystery chest? An M16 and a chug jug. Let's just, no, don't bounce me up. I don't like that. Alright, here's my skills. Hold on, I'm doing it wrong. Alright, I just start from the floor to the wall to the stairs. Please don't judge me if I do it like badly like this. No, I put it on the edge of the wall. There we go. Break this wall with our M16. I don't really care. Pretty slow, right? Another llama. Higher ground than you, llama. Higher ground than you, llama. Hi. Shoot you down. Bam. Let's go down and bye, guys. And see you in the next one. Bye.